Alright, we got another carp fishing job. I got Hulk warmed up. Check out my new blacked out headlights. A lot of people ask, why don't I have hiking pants? I just threw them in here really quick. I do have them. I've used them on previous videos. You're supposed to throw these on. They're like cut resistant and all that. I just am lazy. And I'm still young enough to where I can just power through all the like brushes and stuff, and it doesn't bother me. But I might use those. Just wanted to show off those headlights. Woo! What a nice truck. So alright, Big Flipper, you gotta stay behind on this one. I'll get back to you guys when I show up. Oh boy, this one sucks. Oh, let's see. Start setting up the outriggers. Throwing the idle. This one sucks. Yeah, maybe. Well, you can't see it here. Let's throw out the boom first. Let's go find the car. It's not the hike that's bad. This is easy. It's the car itself. Worthless. Drop down the boom. All right. I'm just glad it's not 100 degrees today. Yeah, dude, this is 100% an insurance job. Insurance job with no insurance, go figure. Oh yeah. Is that one of the tires? I'll walk it out this way as far as I can and then circle back to the car. That's good. Now to the car. I don't know, I think we could salvage the engine. Nothing. That was easy. One BA car strap to the front, and then we'll just brute force this sucker out of here. Gonna need a lot more cable. Let me pull it from here. All right, cable out. It's a miracle that didn't catch this whole thing on fire. But I mean, like, all this, I could have all went up. All right, let's try that. Should be enough cable. Yep. Okay. Way more than enough. All right, Dave, winching with Hulk, do your thing. There she goes. Yeah, that tree means nothing. Wait, hold it right there. Let me just make sure nothing's twisted. Okay, everything's good. This must be the all-wheel drive Mustang. Very rare. Dude, this thing has to weigh next to nothing. Alright, hold it there. Let me get up there so I can do my car straps the way I want them. Let me jump up. Okay, Dave, finish winching it up. From right there, try to rotate it so it could flip. It won't do it that way, huh? And just keep winching in. I'll twist it in midair. You know what? I might not need all 4 straps, huh? No. Hold it there. Let's get this out of the way. Might not even need these after all. Okay, sky it. Wait, go in with the ball. Really? you're good to go. Okay, hold it there. Now we can flip it. Let's get a good angle of this.
Hey, look, they torched it. This is right here in Nebraska. Molotov.
So now that Dave's got the front of it secure, flip the back. Do we have skates? You want to throw on container skates? You have free spool on? Nice synthetic cake. Okay, start winching in, please. Hold it. Hold it. Let me go down and just winch in, get you a nice straight angle. Boom, check that out. Be a little bit more. Look, check it out. What's stuck? Did you try putting it in neutral? Alright, let's cage the brakes and throw it in neutral. Alright, let me lift it from the front. It got caught. Alright, tie rod fix, now winching. Snatch plug to the other side and then we're done. Nice. You got it. Lifting. Now winching. Ta-da! I'll ask for it. Just like that, we're done. No additional damage. That was the easiest fishing job ever. And just like that, we're done. Was a Mustang, it's now junk. Easiest fishing job we've done in quite a while. Might be a boring video, but whatever. Hope y'all enjoy. We're out.